Hip hop. Quebec City, are you ready for Slaine? Put your hands in the motherfucking air. Put your hands in the motherfucking air. Put your hands in the motherfucking air. Come on. Say hell yeah. Hell yeah. Say hell yeah. Hell yeah. Say shit yeah. Shit yeah. Say fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Yo, Jimmy can't go me give me back for his bucket. So I came with the nut guns and fit in a truck. In a bitch so many drugs I couldn't piss in a cup. I had a piss in a bucket. Oh fuck it, I'm giving it up. I'm climbing the ladder. Fuck driving this pad. Nobody you know scatterwords on the pad. The way I rap tatted that. I ain't got no backpack, got a rap. I just got the raw shit. How you gonna be mad at that? Matter of fact, you can take your faggot ass back to the schoolyard. You little ragged ass back. I'm too hard for any little sissy to spot me. Shit don't stink. This smells like Ishimiyaki. If you wanna come and drop this in me, Sparky, you better go and get yourself a Mr. Miyagi. Cause you gon' need drink kids when I'm Slaine spits. Oh no, you can't speak my language. I said get ready, cause this ain't funny. My name is Slaine and I'm about to get money. Pulled out the Jimmy, aiming at the sky. Yell stick 'em up and let's fly. I said get ready, cause this ain't funny. My name is Slaine and I'm about to